Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home during this pandemic COVID-19 and applying all the precautionary measures for the safety of your family, yourself and for your society also. Today I am going to start the second chapter of plus 1 class, and it is the part 1 of second chapter, Olympic value education. In this chapter we will learn about Olympic, the starting of Olympic, like two Olympics are there. At first there was ancient Olympic, how they started, and second one modern Olympic, which was started by Pierre de Coubertin in 1896. So what is Olympic movement? What are the symbol of Olympic games? And at first we will talk about ancient Olympic, then in second part we will talk about the modern Olympic. At first today we will start ancient Olympic games. At first you have to know that two Olympics, like ancient Olympic games and modern Olympic games. Today we will talk ancient Olympic games. Ancient Olympic games. These games started in Greece. There was a city Olympia. In Olympia, it was a valley. In the valley of Olympia, these games were started. Valley of Olympia in 776 BC. Date is very important. You know that question can come MCQs, in which year that ancient Olympics started. That is 776 BC. Actually what happened about these Olympic games? Ancient, these I use because except Olympic 3 more games were there. That was Isthmian, Pythian and Nemean. But in the literature we get information a lot about the ancient Olympic games. These also were conducted on that time, but important was Olympic games. The value or the popularity of Olympic games were more than these 3. So it started in the valley of Olympia in 776 BC. At first I will tell you how these games are started. Actually no confirmation about the ancient Olympic games. Many stories were exist in the how it is started about the Olympic games. First story was there, like in Olympia, the native people of Olympia, they adored Zeus as their god. Once what happened, Zeus got upset from the misdeed of people of Olympia. Then what happened, he came on the ground and he was very angry. Cause of his anger, that land split. So to pacify Zeus, these Olympic games held in front of the temple of Zeus. So to pacify Zeus, people of that Olympia, people of Greece started these games. These games in Olympia Valley. So second story was there regarding Olympic games. It is King Augeas. A king was there. King was there. His name was Augeas. What happened? a famous skilled, a person was there who was very skilled regarding that battlefield, that he can do war very significantly. His name was Hercules. He was very brave man on that time. What happened? On that time he did many bad work, or we can say misdeeds. So King Augeas was very upset from Hercules cause of his misdeed. Then King Augeas want to punish Hercules. So he told Hercules, he given him punishment. As a punishment, he told him, you have to clean the stable. Stable means astabal, like where they are carrying the horses. You have to clean the stable, or 1/10 of the total number of animal. If he clean the stable, then 1/10 of the property he will give to the Hercules. This is the commitment by the King Augeas. He was the king of Elis. Then Hercules, a river was there. In Elis, a river was there. What Hercules did, he turned the path of that river toward the stable, or automatically when water came in the stable, automatically it cleaned. But after that, what happened, that King Augeas not complete his promise. He denied that he will not give anything to Hercules. Then Hercules killed King Augeas, or then he started the Olympic Games. It is the second story. One more story is there. There was the kingdom Elis. Elis named kingdom was there, and the king was there of Elis, that king of Elis. His daughter name Hippodamia. She was very young. King put a condition for the marriage of Hippodamia. He announced in his kingdom that if any young person or any youth from the kingdom come and kidnap Hippodamia from the under observation of king, then he will she will married with that person, that who will kidnap her from the house of king. So many person who was physically fit and fine came to kidnap Hippodamia, but they were not succeed in their work. Then king slaughtered them. King killed all the youth who tried to kidnap Hippodamia. After that, a youth named Fellow, he came, or what he did, Fellow give bribe to the charioteer of the king, mean सारथी, जो सारथी था राजा का, he given bribe to him that when I kidnap Hippodamia, or when I start run away from there, then king will chase me. But he given bribe to the Sarthi, or that Sarthi remove the wheel of king's chariot. Then what happened? He kidnapped Hippodamia, and then king starting chasing Fellow. What happened? That wheel separate from the chariot, and that king died in that accident. Or Fellow marry with Hippodamia, then he started the Olympic game. One more story was there. Once what happened, that all the god or goddess, they start fighting with each other. On that time a fight took place between Zeus and Kronos. Zeus and Kronos. Kronos was the god of Kronos was also that god. Zeus was also god. On that time their keen faith was there in them. They were fighting each other, or to pacify these two, they started the Olympic game. Or one more interesting story was there, that on that time in Greece, small states was there called city states. Continuously they were fighting with each other to create peace, to remove all the dispute among the states. These games started and called Olympic Games. Next one, what was the rule of ancient Olympic Games? Rules of ancient Olympic Games. Some rules were there. It implement on the participant. If anybody, any sports person, any participant who was not stand under the rule regulation, then he cannot participate in the games. He couldn't participate in the games. So first rule was there, individual must be a pure Greek person. The person must be belong from the Greek, then he can participate in the Olympic Games. Second one, no slave or prisoner can take participation. On that time, this type of we can say pratha was going on. So slaves are there, some prisoners are there, slaves were there, prisoners were there, but they are not allowed to participate in Olympic Games. It was the rule. Third one, participant must complete 10-month training in their town. Those were the participants. If they completed 10-month training in their own house, in their own town, then they can participate in the games. Fourth, after completion of this 10-month, they will reach they reach to the venue where Olympic Games held. They have to complete 1 month training. At the venue of games. Individual must be pure Greek person. No slave or prisoner can take participate. Participant must complete 10-month training in their own town. They have to complete 1 month training at the venue. Fifth one, professionals. Professionals were not allowed to take participate. Professional means those are skilled one. These Olympics games were for the amateur person. Amateur means those are involving in physical activity. They are skilled one. Rest of the people, anybody can take participate in the ancient Olympic games. Next one is the opening ceremony. Opening ceremony of ancient Olympic games. Some rules were there in ancient Olympic games. But in the starting of Olympic games, you have to remember these games started in 776 BC. Olympic game, 4 type of games were there. First is that Olympic games, second one is Pythian, third one is Isthmian, fourth one is Nemean. But that Olympic games is very important for you. You have to learn or read properly the thing, or on internet also you can search it. So ancient Olympic games started in 776 BC. Now we will talk about opening ceremony. Opening ceremony. In opening ceremony, at first all participants gathered in auditorium. At first all the participants come and gather in the auditorium. Nowadays, like you see, when any games opening ceremony is there, so players at first gather in the stadium for march past like this. On that time they were gathered in auditorium. Second one, their relative and trainers also gathered in spectator area. Participants gather that inside, in between of the auditorium, and the relatives and trainers also gather in spectators area or zone. Third one, if anyone from spectators have objection on any player, then that individual was not allowed to take participate. To take participate. One more thing, that rules of ancient Olympic games, women were also not allowed to take participation in the game. It is also important thing. Women were not allowed to take participate in the games. Fourth one, they sacrifice a pig. Fourth one, they sacrifice a pig. Sacrifice a pig. Before that, one more thing, fifth one, players introduced to the spectators. This rule, third one we can carry this one, then fourth or fifth. First one, all participants gather in the auditorium, their relatives and trainers also gather in spectator area, or other one, arena, in the arena. Fourth one, third one, if anyone from spectators or relative of any other person have any objection on any participant, then that participant not allowed to take participate in the games. Fourth one, they sacrifice a pig. After sacrifice a pig, these games started. On that time, many events were there: chariot race, running events were there, shot put, like shot put also, like javelin throw. These type of games were organized on that time in the Olympics games. Award ceremony. After participation in the game, those were the winners. Those won the archery, we can say fencing, javelin throw, running, chariot race. In these type of event, those were the winners. They got the awards on that time. First one, a crown of olive branches. A tree is there, a plant is there of olive. They made a crown of these tree branches, and they will give it to the winner. Lots of grain given to the winners. Anaj, different type of grains given to the winners on that time. Third one, philosophers, or we can say poets written poem about the winners. People made their statue in their own town. Fifth one, their story announced in different cities. A crown of olive branches given to them, lots of grains, different type of grains given to the winners. Poets written poem on that time, poets written poem about the winners. People made, we can say, sculptures. They made their statues in their towns. Their story announced in different city to the people, how they did hard work, how they, or in which type of particular competition they won the Olympic games. On that time, like today, medal ceremony was not there. On that time, these type of things given to the winners. So it is about the ancient Olympic games. Different type of games or events were there. In next part we will discuss about that events. Day by day, according to the passage of time, events add in the games, or the duration of the games also increased in ancient time. So about that we will discuss about in second part. So for today this much. Take care of your health. सभी को नमस्ते.